Welcome to 3. Today, inshallah, we will study the last unit in our curriculum, hormones in human body. Let's start. We know that our nervous system organize and coordinate both the activities and function of the organs of living organisms. This function performed by secretion of chemical substance. This chemical substance is known as hormone. Hormone is a chemical substance or chemical message that control and organize most of the vital activities and function inside the bodies of living organisms. So, hormone is chemical substance secreted to organize or to do vital activities inside the body of living organisms. This hormone is secreted from special organs which called glands or endocrine glands or ductless glands. So, hormones secreted from glands which called endocrine glands or ductless glands, which means it secretes its secretion directly to the blood without any duct. Without any duct. Blood is considered the only way for the hormone to research or to reach their site of action, which is called target cell. What is meant by target cell? Target cell is the cell that the hormone affects, and they are almost located away from the endocrine glands that secreted the hormone. Again, hormones are secreted from special organs which you call the glands. This gland called endocrine or ductless gland because it secretes its secretion directly to the blood. Why in the blood? Because the target cell, which is a hormone effect, is located almost away from endocrine glands. The most important endocrine glands present in human body is pituitary gland, thyroid gland, two adrenal glands, pancreas gland, and reproductive gland. Number 1, called pituitary gland. Pituitary gland is located below the brain. Its size is very small and its shape like the shape of BC. Again, pituitary gland is very small, located below the brain. It has a small size and the shape of BC. It is the most important gland in our body. So it called master gland, master or main gland, because it secretes hormones that regulate the activity of other endocrine glands. Pituitary gland secretes many hormones, such as growth hormone, which is responsible and regulates the growth of the body muscles and bone. So, the first hormone secreted by pituitary gland is growth hormone, which is responsible for the growth of muscles and bone and other organs. And also secretes thyroid stimulating hormone, which stimulates thyroid gland to secrete its hormones, and activating hormones of sexual glands, which affect the development of sex organs. In male, which is ovary, and in male is testes, and in female is the two ovaries. Okay, and also secretes mammary gland activating hormone to secrete milk during breastfeeding. Also, it secretes facilitating hormone during delivery and hormone which regulates the amount of water in our human body. Also, pituitary gland secretes or affects the activity of adrenal gland activating hormone. Again, pituitary gland is called master gland or main gland because it secretes many hormones that regulates the activity of other glands, such as growth hormone, thyroid stimulating hormone, adrenal gland hormone, activating hormone of sexual gland, and hormones that regulate the amount of water in our human body and facilitating hormones during delivery. Growth hormones are secreted from pituitary gland, and it controls the speed of growth of the rate of the body muscles and bone and other organs. If growth hormone is increased or decreased in the human body, it causes hormone disorder. So the unbalance of the amount of hormone in human body cause hormone disorder, which may cause many diseases like dwarfism. What is meant by dwarfism? The body stops growing and becomes dwarf due to decreasing the amount of secretion of growth hormone, or by increasing the amount of growth hormone in our human body, it may cause another disease which called giantism. It's called giantism. What is meant by giantism? It is the continuous growth of the length of bones. So the body becomes giant due to increase the secretion of growth hormone. So our hormone secreted in the normal level. By increasing or decreasing its secretion, it causes hormone disorder, which may cause many diseases. Our second gland is called thyroid gland. Thyroid gland located in the front surface of the neck, on both sides of trachea. It consists of two loops connected together by a small part. Again, the second gland is called thyroid gland, present in the front side of the neck, on both sides of trachea, and consists of two loops. These two loops are connected together by small parts and secrete two important hormones, which is the thyroxine hormone and calcitonin hormone. Again, thyroxine hormone, which liberates energy necessary for the body from food, and calcitonin hormone, which controls the amount of calcium and phosphorus in our blood. Our food must contain suitable amount of iodine, as iodine enters the structure of what? Enters the structure of thyroxine hormone, which is necessary to liberate energy from food. Okay? What happens by increasing or decreasing the amount of thyroxine in our body? It may cause hormone disorder and may cause diseases such as the first disease is simple goiter, which resulted from decreasing amount of secretion of thyroxine hormone in our body due to lack of iodine from food. So we must eat food containing suitable amount of iodine to control or to maintain the amount of thyroxine hormone in our human body. The second disease is exophthalmic goiter, which resulted from increasing the amount of secretion of thyroxine hormone with large amounts, so-called enlargement of thyroid gland with great loss of weight and tension. So, increasing or decreasing the amount of thyroxine hormone in our body may cause hormone disorder, which lead to some diseases like simple goiter, which resulted from decreasing the secretion of thyroxine hormone, or Exothalamic goiter, which is due to or happen due to increasing the amount of secretion in our body. Another gland is adrenal gland, which located above two kidneys, which secretes adrenal hormone, which stimulates the body organs to respond to emergencies. Any response to emergency is due to secretion of adrenaline hormone from adrenal gland, which located at the top of the two kidneys. Another gland is pancreas, which is located between stomach and small intestine. Between stomach and small intestine, presence of pancreas, which secretes two hormones and also secreted enzymes. So, pancreas is a mixed gland or mixed organ. Why? Because pancreas secretes digestive enzymes and also secretes hormones. What is the hormone which is secreted by pancreas? Pancreas secretes two main hormones, which is insulin hormone or glucagon hormone. Insulin hormone, which stimulates the storage of glucose sugar in liver. Insulin secreted by pancreas when the amount of sugar levels increase in the blood. So, it stores the large amount of sugar and change it into glucose and it stored it in the liver. So, insulin secreted when the amount of sugar level increases in blood, change it into glucose and this glucose sugar change into glycogen and stored in the liver. The second hormone called glucagon. What is meant by glucagon? It is the second hormone which is secreted by pancreas to stimulate the release of glucose sugar from liver. So, the glucose sugar which is stored in the liver liberated when the human body is fasting or due to decreasing the amount of sugar in blood. So, glucagon hormone release the glycogen and change it into glucose which liberated in the blood. On occurrence of hormone disorders due to secretion of insulin hormone from pancreas gland, it will lead to diabetes diseases. Oh yes, it resulted from or it is the diseases which caused by decrease in the amount of secretion of the insulin hormone from pancreas, which lead to increasing the amount of glucose sugar in blood. Okay, so hormone disorders happen in pancreas is cause disease which cause diabetes, which resulted from decreasing the amount of insulin secreted from pancreas, which lead to increasing the amount of sugar level in the blood. Another gland which is present in our human body is the reproductive gland, which present in male or female. In male, presence of two ovaries glands. Two ovaries secrete two main hormones, which is estrogen, which produced from female and responsible for female secondary sex character. And also, ovaries secrete progesterone hormone, which is secreted during pregnant period to allow the growth of endometrium to allow the growth of baby inside it. Another gland in male is two testes. Two testes secrete important hormone which called testosterone, which responsible for male secondary sex character. So, in female, two ovaries which responsible for secretion of two hormones, which is estrogen and progesterone. While in male, presence of two testes which responsible for secretion of important hormone which called testosterone, which responsible for appearance of male secondary sex character. Prep 3. Now we end our lesson, which talk about hormones in our human body. This hormone is secreted by special organ which called gland. This gland is endocrine gland or ductless gland, as it secretes hormones directly to the blood without any duct. The most important gland which is present in our human body is pituitary gland, thyroid gland, 2 adrenal glands, pancreas gland, and reproductive gland. Pituitary gland, called master or main gland, present below the brain in a very small size and secrete hormones that regulate the activities of other endocrine glands. The second gland is called thyroid gland, which present in front surface of neck, as 2 loops connected together secrete 2 hormones, which is thyroxine hormone, which liberates energy from food, and calcitonin, which is responsible for maintaining the amount of calcium and phosphorus in our blood. Another gland is adrenal gland, present at the top of the 2 kidneys, which is responsible for secretion of adrenal hormone, which allows the body to respond during emergency. And pancreas gland, which is a mixed gland, as it secretes digestive enzyme and also secretes special hormones, which is insulin hormone and glucagon hormone. Insulin hormone, which decreases the level of sugar in blood as it changes glucose sugar into glycogen, which is stored in liver, while glucagon hormone releases the glycogen from liver and change it into glucose and liberated it into the blood. The last gland is the reproductive gland, which present in female as 2 ovaries, which secrete 2 main hormones, estrogen and progesterone, and 2 testes in male, which secrete testosterone, which is responsible for male secondary sex character. Study well and see you soon, inshallah. Thank you very much.